Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to streamline your data collection in 2025, Smartsheet is an incredible tool that combines spreadsheets with powerful automation. Today, I'm excited to walk you through creating a form in Smartsheet step by step. This will help you gather information efficiently, whether it's for team projects, surveys, or tracking tasks. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. If you don't have one, sign up. It's free for basics. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select or create a new sheet where you want the form to link. For example, if you're managing a project, start with a blank sheet or use a template. Now, head over to the top menu and click on Forms. This is Smartsheet's easy-to-use form builder for 2025 updates. You'll see options to create a new form. Go ahead and click that. Next, customize your form by adding fields. Think about what data you need: text boxes for names, drop-downs for options, or even date pickers. Smartsheet makes it intuitive. Just drag and drop elements to build your form. Don't forget to add validation rules, like required fields, to ensure you get quality responses. After that, set up notifications so you're alerted when submissions come in. Go to the Settings tab and configure email alerts or integrations. Once everything looks good, save and publish your form. You can share it via a link, embed it on a website, or even send it directly to collaborators. Finally, test your form by submitting a sample entry to make sure it works smoothly. And there you have it. You've just created a dynamic form in Smartsheet. This feature is a game changer for productivity, especially with the 2025 enhancements like better mobile responsiveness. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going.